Hi guys, I'm Seb, head bartender and mixologist at Gin & Tonic, and I'm here today to teach you an iconic classic cocktail called the Martinez. So the Martinez, well, the Martinez is pretty much how it all started. Considered by many to be the ancestor of the modern day martini, the origins of this drink, of Martinez, they are in a cloudy haze. No one knows exactly how the drink came into place. There are numerous stories behind it. Well, one of the stories goes that Jerry Thomas himself in 1860 created the drink while working in a bar in California. He created it for a client who was traveling to the Martinez Islands, and he literally named the drink after the client's destination. Over the years, the drink has seen numerous changes, numerous variations. Well, to be fair, the core stayed the same, the ratios slightly adjusted. One of the most famous variations on the Martinez is the all-time favorite martini. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this simple but really tasty cocktail, and it's gonna be a stirred drink. So we're gonna be using our stirring glass. I'm just gonna go ahead and pre-chill my coupette, my Nicanora, and we're gonna leave that on the side. We're gonna start off with the base, which is gin. We're gonna go for Gin & Tonic London Dry Gin. Really citrusy, really botanical. So we're gonna go for equal parts gin and vermouth. I'm gonna add 40 ml of gin. Next, sweet red vermouth. 40 ml of that as well. Next, the sweet element that we're gonna be adding. In this case in particular, it's Marasca liqueur. So Marasca liqueur is made from Marasca cherry, which is a sour cherry, original to Czech Republic, but brought and made famous in Italy. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Marasca. And for the aromatic, 2 dashes of orange bitters. Next, we ice that up. Temperature is key on this one. So we want our glass chilled, we want our drink chilled as well. They call it the 3 T's of a martini, which can apply in this case as well. You have temperature, you have time, but you also have theater. So you're gonna need to be the judge of this, and you're gonna need to try it. Basically, what you're looking for is the balance. When the burn starts to fade away, just before it starts to get a bit watery, you'll need to stop. We're at that point right now. So next, we're just gonna discard the ice, and we're gonna go ahead and pour everything into our pre-chilled glass. As a garnish, we're gonna go for one of the ingredients we already have inside the mix. So we're gonna garnish that with a maraschino cherry. So there we have it. Beautiful and elegant, the Martinez. Cheers.